Përshëndetje, unë jam Agnes Metani. Si fillim dua të shpreh shkurt mendimin tim në lidhje me temat e zhvilluara këtë vit në shkencën kompjuterike. Projektet dhe njohuritë e marra këtë vit në shkencën kompjuterike kanë qenë mjaft sfiduese dhe të veçanta për mua, por besoj edhe për gjithë nxënësit. Një mundësi që na inkurajon të vazhdojmë edhe më të sigurt në zhvanjen e gjerë të njohurive në këtë fushë. Para se të filloj prezantimin, duhet të them se ky prezantim është bërë në anglisht për shkak të terminologjisë të përdorur në fushën e teknologjisë. Gallery by Agnes, Colors of the World. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of the web page and it consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. They label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. What is CSS? CSS is the language used to style a web page. It describes how HTML elements should be displayed on screen or in other media. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It saves a lot of work and it can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. What about JavaScript? What is it? JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. It is a programming language of the web, which carries out events. Explanation of terms, backend and frontend. Frontend and backend are terms used by programmers to describe the layers that make up a computer program, hardware, or website, which are defined based on how accessible they are to the user. In this context, the user refers to an entity that could be human or digital. The backend refers to parts of a computer program that allow it to operate and that cannot be accessed by the user. The layer above the backend is the frontend, and it includes all software or hardware that is part of a user interface. Human or digital users interact directly with various aspects of the frontend of the program, including user-entered data, buttons, programs, websites, and other features. Content of the website. Frontend. The website Artwork Gallery by Agnes is about some of my artworks through the years, which I have done since when I was in kindergarten. It is divided into 6 galleries, which are categorized according to the age of which the artworks are created. These artworks are very significant to me, as I have preserved them with great dedication over the years. The name of my artwork gallery is Colors of the World. This title best represents the diversity of my creativity over the year. Colors of the World also represents one of my artworks created in 5th grade, which is very dear and important to me. Something distinguished is that one of the galleries contains digital art, which I've done using the Procreate application. Procreate is the most powerful and intuitive digital illustration app, which has helped me improve and develop my art techniques a lot. I highly recommend it for people who want to take their art to the next level. The other 2 pages of the website show a short description of myself and how you can contact me. As you can see in the photo before, this is my drawing created in 5th grade, Colors of the World. Here is a screenshot of the gallery on my website, which contains artworks done in 5th grade. And this is a screenshot of my website for the page about me, which contains a short description of myself. Colors of the website. Backend. I've chosen a ready-made template for the website due to the management of time and learning through entertainment. Then I personalized this template to express my artistic work over the years through a series of programming codes as explained below. The main programming language of this website is HTML. I've manipulated or changed different tags on backend according to what I wanted to appear on frontend. Below, you can find the key parts of the codes, analyzed and explained. We have region bar backend. belongs to the navigation bar, which is the part of the website where the labeling of different pages appear. The green tag, navigation, is a colon. The colon's only role is explanation and documentation of the HTML source code. It has absolutely no influence in the structure or stylization of the page. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser. The div tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. It is used as a container for HTML elements where all stylizations or features for each element are placed. An attribute is a property or characteristic of an element. Color, for example, is a characteristic of her hair. Navigation bar backend. The button tag defines a clickable button. Inside a button element, you can put text and other tags. The type attribute for a button element tells the browser what type of button it is. The A tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of the A element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items in lists. An unordered list starts with the URL tag. Each list item starts with the arrow tag. The list items will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default. This is a screenshot of the navigation bar, which was constructed by the code I explained above. Gallery backend. This code is the main and most commonly used code of the website. It inserts the images into the respective galleries. The HTML P element defines a paragraph. A paragraph usually starts on a new line and is a block of text. The img tag is used to insert an image into an HTML page. It creates a holding space for the image. The img tag has two required attributes. src specifies the path to the image, which is the location of the image, its name, and suffix. And alt specifies an alternate text for the image, if the image for some reason cannot be displayed. This is one of the galleries in my website. It contains articles under 5th grade, and it was constructed by the code I explained above with the img tag. Contact backend. This code belongs to the contact page, which contains my personal information and the map of the school Udha. The HTML form tag is used to create a form or a text box on a web page that has interactive controls for user input. Div ID Google Map is used to insert the map of the school Udha into the contact page. As you can see, this is a screenshot of the contact page on our website. This part here is created by the form tag, and you can see that there are a lot of text boxes where the user can input their information. And the other part is the map of the school Udha, which is inserted by the div ID Google Map tag. Now, together we will see my website online. These are some of my drawings which I created in first grade. Then we come to third grade here. Now 5th grade. And now we move on to the drawings I created in 6th grade. These are my parents, they're Nisa, and this is my father, Udha. And these are some of the drawings of digital art, which I created using the appropriate application, as I said. And this was all. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my project. Thank you for your time and your attention.